And today you're welcome to this channel. If you are new here, consider to subscribe to this channel. We bring latest daily cipher. So today's daily cipher is beep. So the first one is dash and triple dot. Like you hold your screen and press dash 1 2 3, that's triple dots. Then the other one is two dots, 1 2 dot dot beep. Then the last one is dash dash dash. Oh my goodness, I spelled everything. Okay, I'm going to start again. Okay, dot 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 dot. Then the last one is dot dash dash and dot beep. So that's it for today cipher. If you are new in this channel, consider to like this video, subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care and bye.